Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Multiverse Capital, or MVC shortcut, 70% in profits right now, and it's just listed on CoinGecko 6 hours ago. And this token, guys, it just knows one direction, and this is up. Let's see later the actual chart, how it moves, how it goes. You can buy this token on PancakeSwap version 2 for sure. And you can see already many people have done it. And it is for sure on Binance Smart Chain Network. Let's have a look what exactly Multiverse Capital is. Breaking the world with DeFi 3.0. MVC, they tell us, is like Safemoon and multi-chain farming. If you buy, you have a 10% slippage. Goes back to holders, the slippage. And get, for sure, your tokens, and just you have to relax and hodl, they say. So this is your mask, this is the website here, mvc.finance, and you can do here a lot of things, farming and for sure staking. And when you sell on Binance Smart Chain, they say 10% slippage. For example, 10% goes into the treasury. MVC will bridge and invest the funds on multi-chain. Profits are used for liquidity and buybacks. For sure they have a YouTube video also explaining a little bit what exactly is going on with the MVC token. And you can see each MVC token represents a share in the profits of Multiverse Capital. As profits accumulate in the Multiverse Capital treasury, they are bridged to different chains and invested in yield farms and auto-compounding vaults. The profits earned from multi-chain farming will be used to buy back MVC to bring value for MVC holders. You can just buy the tokens, relax, hold, and repeat the earnings from 10% tax every transaction and buybacks from farming rewards. MVC has no inflation bug like other tokens on Ethereum network, for example. MFC, they tell us, we are deflationary token with aggressive burning mechanism. This has been audited by Torium Group and Refugee Coins auditor. Here's the contract address, guys. You can just copy paste into your MetaMask and copy paste into PancakeSwap. Then for sure you can swap some tokens. But what is the difference between the DeFi we know and their DeFi? Why MVC tokens? We have here difference: buyback and burn, increased price, no help for liquidity. They say they increase both price and liquidity. Long-term price stabilization. That's what they offer us. Users own liquidity. Liquidity get dangerous when crypto winter comes and everyone break their liquidity to convert to stable coins. Protocol owned liquidity, they say. In the Multiverse Capital, liquidity can never be dried up as owned by the protocol from the buyback and burn to liquidity process. And also they say it's not a limited farming, can only farm on single chain. Multi-chain farming they have can invest in the best and newest farms on multiple chains. And they tell us here many pros and cons why you should buy the Multiverse Capital token, the MVC token. And guys, maybe they're right and they say, yes, we will do everything that this thing goes huge, like Safemoon. And why not? Why not? Give it a chance, guys. Don't throw all your money inside. You know what I always say. But give it a chance. Here is a huge opportunity to make some not only quick money, but also fill your bags with some money you can earn right now. With this hype here, we have already 70% in gains in profit. And why not? They also have, for sure, call it white paper or light paper. They tell us here what's going on exactly with that token. Here again, the tokenomics, you can read it by yourself, farming and component, buybacks, and so on. DeFi 3.0, they tell us it is DeFi 3.0. They have for sure a Telegram group, which is, I mean, very big. 64,000 members right now and 2,400 online. They have a Twitter account, 16,000 followers, over 16,000. And yes, if you have some questions, just join the Telegram group. Just share your thoughts and maybe just ask questions if you have about this token. The best you can do is ask the community, ask our community here on Hitcoin Daily. Just write down into the comments what you think about this project. You think it's just another hype, or maybe it is a solution to be the next DeFi. So why not, guys? And for sure, let's have a look here on that chart. And this chart, man, it looks like a big pump. It looks like there will be not an ending point, but there are always, and there will be always, guys who want here a payout, right? They make you some profits, even they just make 10-20%. Many of the people outside is happy with 10 or 20%. I know many of you guys say, oh, it have to be 10x or 100x before I will not go out. That's right, you can do these profits. But you can see also, guys, here which are which have enough profits if they have a 20 or 30%, right? And this is now a 30-minute candle chart, and you can see it just go one direction, and this is up. So can we see this token 100x? Why not, guys? Why not? I mean, look at the market cap. We have already here near 40 million market cap, and I know market cap don't tell you always what's going on the market, but you can see here 830,000 US dollar are already invested into this token. So guys, let me know what you think about this token. Write it down into the comments, leave me a like, and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see and hear the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, guys, I wish you the very best profits with this token, with the MVC, with the Multiverse Capital coin. And I wish you all the best. See you later, alligator. Bye.